students, welcome to the Bridge course Template 17 Subject English Class 6th. What is the learning outcome of this template? The students give appropriate oral and written responses in various contexts. There are some instructions for teachers, students, and you have to follow these students, whatever instructions I am going to give you. Okay? And I will ask you some questions orally. You have to give the answers. Now we are going to learn the learning activity. What is the learning activity we are going to see? In the learning activity, use the different pictures for the activity. Now students, I am going to show you some pictures and you have to find out what the picture is about. You have to answer it orally. Students, look at the following picture. Can you name it? What do you see in this picture? Can you name the picture? Yes, you are right. It is a temple. T-E-M-P-L-E. Temple. म्हणजे मंदिर. Now students, what do you see in this picture? ये पिक्चर किसका है? बोल सकते हैं आप? हाँ, सही. It is a school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Look at the following picture. We have studied this word in the last template. Can you name it? It is a grove, a group of trees. You see in this picture, a man is making bread, a place where bread, cakes are made. You are right, students. It is a bakery. B-A-K-E-R-Y, bakery. Students, by learning that activity, observing that pictures, you should solve this activity. There are some words given in the bracket. You have to fill the blanks. A place where Hindu people go to worship, temple. We have seen that picture. A place where we go to learn, school. A place full of trees, grove. And a place where you can get bread, cakes, etc., bakery. So all these pictures we have seen. Now for your practice, there is one activity given. You should say whether the statements are true or false. Observe the picture carefully. There is one dove and the ant. Now you know the story of the ant and the dove. The ant is floating on a leaf and the dove is trying to save it. The ant and the dove. Read the sentences carefully and decide if they are true or false. If the sentence is false, you should correct it. The ant was going to a party. अभी आपको वो चीटी दिख रही है, तो वो कहाँ जा रही थी छात्राओं? She was floating in the river. So she was not going for the party. So it is false. Now the second question. The ant wanted to swim in the river. True or false? No, she did not want to swim in the river because she was drawn in the river. So it is false. The next question. The dove helped the ant using a branch and leaf. Yes, really the dove helped the ant using branch and leaf. So it is true. The dove made fun of the ant. No, the dove did not make fun of the ant. So it is false. Next day the dove was in trouble. It's true or false? Yes, it's true. Next question. The dove was in trouble and the ant helped it. Really, the ant helped it. So it's true. Observe the picture in evaluation activity and tick the correct answer. You have to observe the picture and tick the correct answer. Cow is grazing. Do you see a cow? Yes, true. The boy wears yellow shirt. No, the boy does not wear yellow shirt. His shirt is red. So it is false. The tree is blue. No, the tree is not blue. So it is false. It is green. So in this way we have conducted the evaluation activity. This is the end of our activity. What did you learn from this template? That how to name various places and also answer the following questions by observing the pictures carefully. So, thank you very much.